Termination without cause versus wrongful dismissal. Know your rights. Termination can be confusing, especially when terms like termination without cause and wrongful dismissal get thrown around. Let's break down the differences, what your rights are, and why getting legal advice matters. The basics. In Canada, both federal and provincial laws protect employees. If your employer ends your job, they usually must give you notice, or pay you instead of having you work through that notice period. The only exception? If you're fired for just cause. Just cause versus without cause. Just cause means you've done something serious, like theft, misconduct, or damaging the company's reputation. In that case, your employer doesn't have to give notice or pay you for the notice period. Without cause means your employer ends your job for reasons unrelated to your conduct, such as downsizing or restructuring. This is legal, but you're usually entitled to notice or pay in lieu. You may also be entitled to a severance package, which can include wages, benefits, bonuses, and pension contributions. Why it matters. The severance package you're offered might not be the full amount you're entitled to. That's why it's important to get independent legal advice before accepting any offer. Wrongful dismissal. A wrongful dismissal happens when your employer doesn't follow the law when ending your employment. This can happen if they fire you without proper notice or pay in lieu. Claim just cause without having valid reasons. If that happens, you may be entitled to compensation for all pay and benefits you would have received during the required notice period. Bottom line, not every termination is lawful, and not every just cause claim is valid. If you lose your job, don't assume your employer is right. Speak with a workplace lawyer to understand your rights and protect your financial future. At Taylor Janis Workplace Law, we serve the entire provinces of Alberta and BC with multiple offices where we're able to meet in person or virtually. Click the Get Help link in the description for our dedicated intake form to help you get the ball rolling. Our intake team will review your specific case and advise you on the next steps to take. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. If you're interested in learning more about employment law, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.